Sorkar Jylla kala Kyrpad Sorkar Pdeng bahkan buria bailutksan trai jong jaka kiba shabar jingker sainar shah khappud ke India Bangladesh haba shim kam kum kam kabadei hok dawa namar ktah kamai jakpoh trai jaka kadkum jong usimbut menteri rangba bakmi kam po ying ba preston tensong jaka ki bampat ke sainar khappud ke India Bangladesh kidangdon kumbasan pau kilometer ai Uang bagi Sorkar kadang persangkat bala berpinti kena ya kejingkia sainar no hasilinter khappud. Uyat hu bakuma long menta ke Sorkar Pdeng ke siu bailutksan ni bai jaka tang ya kijaka bapinyeng ya kejingkia sainar badai namar kane bakalami kejing persya ne trai jaka bad kirang ba asnong ne babun kijaka rap hadin bakia sainar kin hab no shabar kejingker lane ke no man's land. Uang namar katala Kyrpad Sorkar Pdeng bahkan buria ya bailutksan jong trai jaka kibandu ya jaka jongki kibasha hab no ha no man's land hadin bakia sainar.
The remaining unfence in the entire India Bangladesh border is about more or less around 50 something kilometers that we have, and we are trying our best to make sure that this 50 odd kilometers be again fenced. But again, saying that again some challenges we are facing. Number one is again the land issue, because some landowners and then the Rangbashnong, the headman, they said if the fencing has to go from here, then the maximum of the land falls to the no man's land. If that is the case, then government of India has to pay us the compensation, even those area which falls outside the fencing. That is the opposition from the landowners. So these issues, in fact, it's very genuine issue, and we are taking up with the Ministry of Home Affairs to convince the government of India not to do the compensation only the stretch of those construction fencing, but it should be also the land which is outside the fencing. They need to also account this loss, which directly affect the livelihood of the landowners and the people of the state. Well, right now, I think Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs has issued a very, very strict regulation to the border security forces as well as to the government, to this respective state government, to be more proactive, making sure that no infiltrators happens in this entire stretch of the Indo-Bangla border. That is number one. And number two, as far as BSF is concerned, I think even the additional forces has been also placed in those vulnerable places.